get started with day 6. This is our last day of Explore 2. We're going to start by opening that Google form. And it starts by asking us what our first and last name is. After that, it takes us to the nervous station. It says under the towel is a tray with a small number of items. I have the tray, so don't worry. I'm going to be showing you the tray for 1 minute. During this 1 minute, try to memorize and remember as many things as you can. Do not write anything down in this 1 minute. Your minute starts now. And stop. Now try to list as many items as you can in this data table or this Google form. So what do you remember seeing? Now come up with a memory technique or use one below to see if you can improve the number of items you remember. So you can either chain it, link the items together by thinking of images that connect it. Place it, items to be remembered are linked to specific places in the order you would visit them. Chunk it, remember the items in small pieces. Doing an acrostic, coming up with a phrase that uses the first letter of a word to remember it. Once you have picked your memory technique, I'm going to show you them again. This time I'm going to show it to you for just 30 seconds. And again, don't write anything down until the 30 seconds are over. Ready, set, go. And stop. Write down everything you remember seeing, then answer these 2 questions. What is the main function of the nervous system, and how does the nervous system interact with the other body systems? Pause here and answer. The respiratory station has a lot of directions, so you're going to want to follow them closely. Start by finding a straw. Cut the straw in half and place it through the hole in a cup. So you're going to need a cup with a hole in the middle. Then you're going to attach a small balloon to one side of the cup with a rubber band. Cut the neck part of a different balloon off and discard it. Place the remaining portion of the balloon over the entire lip of the cup. This part's pretty hard. I'm going to hold it as close as I can. It says to start by pulling down on the outside of the balloon. What happens to the balloon on the inside? Let me see if I can stop the glare so much. What's happening to the balloon on the inside? Now I'm going to push up. What happens to the balloon on the inside? After that, please answer what is the main function of the respiratory system and how does the respiratory system interact with the other body systems. After you finish answering all the questions, make sure you hit submit and then double check your answers with the correct responses.